Here's the form that I created in the last tutorial, and I would now like to utilize the same form to create another application which will going to help me display the difference of the two numbers. So I'm going to create by adding another button. Here is my second button, and I would like to change the text property on this button to reflect that this will going to be the difference button. So it's going to be calculate difference. I'm going to increase the width of the button, and I'm going to change the name of this button to btn diff. Now I'm going to double click to write the code on this button. The code on this button will going to be very similar to the code that we wrote on the first button. If we were to go the algebra route again, now this is exactly what we need to do. We need to take the difference of the two numbers and we're going to place it in our X. In our case, our container is still the result set. So this is still going in the text property of the result. However, since plus sign can be used as concatenation, the subtraction sign doesn't work that way. So if I simply write txt num1 text minus txt num2 dot text without writing any conversion function, and I run my program and I enter, let's say, 190 and 189, the difference is 1. As I click on calculate diff, it tells me the difference between the two numbers is 1. So since the minus sign is only used with numbers, therefore what Visual Basic does, it automatically converts the data types for each one of them behind the scene before it does the calculations. But since the plus sign is used for concatenation as well as addition, therefore it does not automatically convert the data type. So when VB automatically converts the data type, we call it an implicit conversion. When we have to force it to convert the data type, it's called the explicit conversion. So in this brief tutorial, we pretty much looked at how you can go about doing this. And you can use the same logic to calculate the difference between any two numbers. For example, the homework assignment, which asks you to find the difference between the years for the year of birth and the current year, you pretty much will going to be entering in two text boxes. On the click of the button, you will going to calculate the difference of the two numbers, and you will going to display that in the result. With some minor differences, you'll be able to easily accomplish that goal. Hope you would have enjoyed this tutorial as well. Catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.